So just doing a quick tutorial on how to remove your front door card off your Qashqai. You're going to need a trim tool or flat bladed screwdriver, 10mm on a socket and ratchet. I've got a Phillips screwdriver tip and a tub full of bits just to help out, just in case. It's been a while since I've done one of these. So first off, you want to move the shiny black piece off. Then you want to remove your little door handle area, just the same again, put your screwdriver behind it. Next you're going to remove these 10mm. Then your handle should just remove off. Next you want to remove your window switch. To unplug this, you just want to push this little white pin down and pull. And there's another little 10mm located behind it. Right, next you want to use your flat blade screwdriver and go under the bottom corner. And then just pull the door card towards you. Next, just here is a little clip which will be held on. I'm just going to put a trim tool behind there and pop that. There you go, door card is now off. Hopefully that's a nice little simple tutorial that'll help you get your door card off in case you need to fix anything behind it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you need any more tutorials making. See you all later.